Good morning. Today, I'm not in London. I'm in Whitstable, just on a little getaway away from the city. I brought more cameras than I thought I would need. I just really want to use some of the cameras I haven't used in a while. Got some beautiful weather. Hopefully we can get some nice pictures. But what I do want to do today is get some nice long exposures, some blue hour shots actually, along the seaside. There's some really nice boats. So just a quick rundown of the cameras I brought along. I brought the X100V, which is what I'm filming with right now, obviously, on the tripod, on the Peak Design tripod. I brought the Fuji GS645S, just because I haven't used that in a while and I want to shoot some medium format. I also brought my OM1, because I've also not used that one in a while. And the X100V as a backup digital camera. Enjoy the video, guys. Gonna go get some food now. Get some fish and chips. Maybe some oysters as well. Kind of just walking through residential areas now. It's just interesting seeing different kind of houses, seeing different kind of people, even though we're not that far outside of London. It's so interesting. Gotta come back, take some more photos tomorrow. So many people. Okay. So just waiting for blue hour. So if you don't know what blue hour is that hour after golden hour, just before it goes completely pitch black, where everything's kind of blue, hence blue hour. Yeah, just want to get some pictures of the boats, some pictures of the houses as well. initially I wanted to take photos with the Fuji GS645S, but I forgot to bring a roll of 120 film. So I've got about six frames left on the Olympus. So I'm just going to do the blue hour photos with the Olympus. I want to walk towards the boats. The couple of boats by the harbour, they're all docked there, and hopefully in the slide they'll look pretty sweet. Dr. Zoidberg. Whitstable, surprisingly, is actually really good for street photography. When you walk around here, what you find is that it's very liberal. It's quite a progressive town. You see a lot of Black Lives Matter kind of posters. Everyone's very compliant about being COVID secure, being COVID safe. I think it's just maybe just the fact that it's like a small town community kind of thing, so people tend to care more about each other. I don't know, that's just kind of the vibe we got. So it kind of made for a nice atmosphere for street photography. People didn't really mind. Yeah, that's another thing, there were plenty of vintage cars about. If you enjoy the video, like the video, share this with your mom, share this with your dad, comment something nice down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Do hit that subscribe button. Yeah, with all that said and done, boys and girls, keep learning, keep shooting. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.